of New Jersey. No idea what to expect, but I thought anything is better than the gray skies of Newark and the smell of the beer cans and the cigarettes. My Datsun bit it by the time I got to Washington, and I admitted my defeat. I sat and cried on the steps of the Capitol, and someone took a picture of me. Will I end up in Time magazine? American Portrait gonna write. And if I end up in Time magazine, well, how will I explain why a young man wearing beat-up jeans, empty guitar case at his feet, he says, "Hey man, spare $1 for a pretty tune. See, my throat is dry from all this heat." He sings Suburbia, it wasn't a bad way to go. In fact, I think it bought me some time, but a bad He said